Okay, welcome to this video. Did you complete the assignment I gave you in previous video? If you have not done it, go and do it right now. This video is all about how you set your intentions investments goal. Goal setting is so key here, and there is a way, there is a method how to set your goals. I want you to walk through that method. You may be good at goal setting, but I believe that if you have goals, you know exactly where you want to go. There are high chances to reach there, because if you don't know where to go, you can go anywhere. So first start with intention. Intention is everything. If you want to have that lifestyle that others investors enjoy, then you should have deep core intention to learn, deep core intention to add value. You should have deep core intention to create prosperity of your own life as well as people around you, like family, friends, relatives. And only if these intentions are strong, you will prosper. Will you able to create that investor's lifestyle? If you are going with that intention of just getting things done from people or just getting from the market, okay, let me just make money, it's not going to take you a long way. You should look at how you can help people, because if you help people, enough people, what they want, you will get what you want. Simple, remember this phrase. It's a very powerful phrase. What goes around comes around. I heard this phrase when I was doing my BNI networking event. It's a very powerful phrase. If you help other people, God will help you. It's for the force which is already into play. So whatever you learn, share with others and see the magic unfolding. I'm gonna give you a few seconds right now to pause this video and think what is your true intention. So let's just do a simple exercise. Now take a deep breath and be comfortable. Get comfortable in your seat right now. I want you to close your eyes right now for a few seconds and just think what is your real intention or goal. Where you really want that goal. Just think about it. You're doing great. What thoughts comes to your mind for your deep goal intentions? How you want to serve your family? How you want to live the prosperous life? Now take your deep breath and come back. I'm here right now. Now tell me, what's your goal? Maybe you want to prove something to others. Maybe you just wanted to be free and not depend on anyone. Maybe you want to share the knowledge and help people. Maybe you did not get that support when you were young. Whatever it may be, just note down that goal in your notepad, and that is the exercise I want you to do towards the end of this video. Go and get your notepad, just do it right now. Now we want you to move into the next step. How to set the right goal. I want to divide your goals into two parts. First one is intermediate profits goal. I would like you to write that investment goal you want to achieve. And I would like you to put a number next to it. What is your IPG? IPG means intermediate profits goal. What is your profits on total investment in figures of your rupees you want to achieve 1 year or 2 years down the line? What is that number which is going to make you feel comfortable? What are the net profits after deducting the capital amount and various charges and taxes? It could be any number. Net profits can be 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs by 2021. Whatever may be the number, don't go for a higher number. Remember, your investment goal must be based on your current lifestyle patterns. Like, what are you paying for your home, electricity bills, children education, your household, your food, your groceries, your fuel and all other stuff. Your lifestyle to take your family out and to run your businesses. You need to have some money for that. So keeping of all this together, what do you think that number should be, which is gonna make you feel comfortable? Like that breathing space which you want to have. Write down the number, because until unless you put the number or measure your goal, it's all in the air. Now there can be a threshold. Some may have higher lifestyle number, that's okay, it's perfectly fine. So you should have that measurable number for the intermediate profits goal. Similarly is another goal, that is aspirational profits goal. Until unless you complete your first goal, you cannot jump onto the second goal. APG, that is aspirational profits goal. It looks more into the future, 5 years, 20 years, even 30 years from now. For example, my APG is 5 crore profits by 2025. Now your aspirational investment goal can be anything. Maybe for you, your aspirational investment goal can be 30 lakhs, 50 lakhs, or even 5 crores or even 20 crores. It's up to you. It's up to you what you want. Okay, so write down your aspirational profits goal, write in your notepad, not in the comments, write in your notepad. Okay, got it. Now we move on to the phase 3 of the video. Phase 1, you noted down your intentions. Phase 2, I shared with you the types of goals which you have to write in your notepad. Phase 3, I would like to give you a template and write down exactly how I tell you to how to you write your goal, because the way you write your goal is more important. Okay, now let's take your APG goal, that is aspirational profits goal. I'm going to read my aspirational profits goal right now, and I have my goal card over here. I have my personal goal card. By the way, I have given you 2 links below where you can take the printout and create your own goal card. This is gonna be like Investors Lifestyle Hub goal card. And take the printout or go to any print shop and ask them to get the lamination done on both front and back side. Do that, and once you do that, write down the goal with your hand. Do with your hand, don't print your goal. Because if you write with your hand, it will stay in your memory forever. Handwrite your goal, and I'm going to give you the format for how to write your goal. The aspirational profits goal I'm going to read out, and you can note it down as I speak, and now note it down in your notepad. My goal by March 2025 is to earn rupees 5 crores profit by doing what I love and helping millions of people live a financial independent life. This is my aspirational profits goal by 2025. Look at my goal card. This is my goal. You can take the same thing and make it in your own format. You can change your number, okay, whatever number you want to eat, and the date you can change it. By using the words I earn it, it means you have to write in present tense. You have to say in present tense. That's how you will have the power to share with others. Because you have to upgrade yourself on daily basis, which can be done through reading and talking to other members of the investing community. Putting into practice. Until unless you put that knowledge into practice, all learnings and all the knowledge you imbibe, all is in the air. Do what you love. Not doing something which you don't like won't make you money. Sharing the knowledge with people and helping people, and finally doing all this will make you happy from your inner soul, which will ultimately lead to a prosperous and financially successful life. This is the template for your goal card, and I would like you to get your goal card done today itself. Take your printout and get your goal cards ready. I will tell you what to do after that. Now the second goal card is you just have to change the number and the date for the IPG. Maybe your intermediate profits goals is 1 year or 2 years away. So you are watching the video in July or August of this year. So 1 year from now or 2 years from now is August next year, or next to next year, you can say for the August. You can say like that. I earn rupees 10 lakhs profits by next August, give a date, by doing what I love. Updating my knowledge on consistent basis and sharing the knowledge with a large number of people so that I could live a happy and financially prosperous life. It's the same template, but your number would be different. So your APG goal will be the future date, that is 5 years down the line or 10 years down the line. Whatever years or numbers you are comfortable with. And your IPG should be 1 to 2 years down the line. Only will you have these 2 goal cards, magic starts unfolding. And if you don't look at this goal card every single day, there is no way you can achieve the success. So now here is your assignment for today. I got you to do few things in the previous video, and before you close this video and move on to tomorrow's video, that is day 2, I want you to do this right now. Note this down. Go and take the printouts of your 2 goal cards, write with your hands. I would like you to take selfie with both your goal cards and publish in the comments below section. Okay, you got to do this. You paid and got into this community, and if you don't do this, you are wasting your money. This is the most important part of being the investment community. Success in this community is all about having clarity in your investment goal. If I tell you you have to do something, just do it. This works like magic. Because of this goal, I have achieved my intermediate profits goal, and now my eyes are around aspirational profits goal. Because I am looking at my APG every single day, there is some power these goal card does. Okay, our subconscious mind had to be imprinted this every single day. And when you do this, you will notice the change in your life. So let's see, if I can do this, then you can do this. And I'm really looking forward for each and every one of your selfie with the goal cards, which you will post in the comment section below. Before you share your selfie with the goal card, Just type in the comment box what type of clarity you got in your next step. I am going to recap once again. Don't think I am boring, repeat this again and again. I want to make very clear to you. Take the print of both the goal cards, write your goals in both the goal cards, take the selfie, post with your goal card and read your goal cards daily without fail. Also share your insights along with the selfie in the comment section below. And I am going to read each one of your goal cards and respond to you. All the best. Bye bye.